Hey, my name is Kathy Roberts, and I am the Tidy Tutor. I'm letting you know what's going on right now. In case you have seen the video that I put up that I said I was stopping the Tidy Tutor and that I was just going to step back, and if you went to any links, they would be broken. Well, I'm coming back. And just really quickly, I don't want to make this take up a lot of time, but I know some people are going to wonder because I did say that I felt like it was a calling of God and that I was to just listen to him. And also, I said that the work was just difficult for me. The tech was just drowning me. I said I was 64. I just can't put any more time into this. I love what I do. I am really good at it and I help a lot of people. But the part for me that makes it that I could keep going, where you have to have all of the technical stuff done and be able to market so that you can be profitable and continue on in business. I just totally sucked at it. And I just said to myself, you got to stop this. And when I talked to God about it, I felt such an ease. And the thing that I got from him was shut down my platform. And so it was tough for me to do that because of all the work, expense, and time that I put into all of that. But I listened. And when I listened, I got the next step. And I realized that what I needed to do was just do one step at a time. There's a verse in the Bible that says that he's a lamp to our feet. And so that means that you can't see past what that light would shine. This was in a time written when there was no such thing as electricity. So when it got dark at night, that was it. A fire was the only thing that gave any illumination. So to have a lamp to your feet means you don't know what's past that next step until you take that next step. So I did that. And when I did, the next thing came to me, and it was that I wasn't to shut down my business. I was to shut down that platform and then do it differently. And so I had to take one step at a time. Sometimes I got fearful because I am body, soul, and spirit. So if there's anybody out there just like, well, if you were, a woman of faith, you wouldn't have fear. Well, that's not true. To make a long story short, I'm back as the Tidy Tutor. I have a new platform. That was one of the next steps that I never would have imagined to happen. And the reason that I took that next step, in case you care, is because even though I shut down everything, I still had people that counted on me monthly that showed up for me to help them every single month inside of my community. They took my course, Tidy Tutor University, now called Tidy Tutor Masterclass, and I committed to helping them once a month. And I couldn't just like disappear. I had to ease out gradually. Also, there's people, like you may be one of them, that have purchased a product from me, maybe my Christmas course or Clutter Magnet challenge that I did. Or Tidy Tutor University, the Tidy Tutor Masterclass. And if you are, I knew that I had to have this available for you. So I was like, well, what do I do? And then I got an email that was like School, Skool. It's a platform that I was familiar with because I had purchased a course and had been on that community as somebody that was a learner. And then I realized this is what I'll do for now to be the teacher. They had an offer where it was just $10 a month. And so until I was figuring out what I was doing, I'm like, this is easy, no brainer, I can do this. And I started rebuilding because when you have courses and content, it's almost like moving house. Like you take your house from here and you pack it all up, you put it in a truck, you move it somewhere, you unpack it, you put things away. It's like that. Each and every video and image and text has to be saved and put in and copy and pasted and all of that stuff. So I just did it. And then as I was working it, what happened was it was so easy. It was such a blessing. That platform is something I can work with. And when I started doing, I'm like, oh God, thank you. Thank you for leading me to this. It was such a long time that I knew I should have shut down a long time before this. But fear stopped me from doing it because I had put 14 years into this, 14 years of my life, my passion, my heart, and I would be losing all of that. So there was fear involved of doing it. Oh my goodness. What is it? False evidence appearing real. So I did that. And now I'm in school, realizing that it's amazing and wonderful. And I have a community, and I'm inviting you to be a part of it. If you are somebody that has already purchased something from me, then put in the comments that you did. I'm going to need your email address. I'll add you in. I'll invite you to it so that you can have your whatever it was that you purchased from me. Okay. And then there's another level where you can get help from me, almost like group coaching. The courses are in there. We meet once a week online. There's more that you could find out in the link that I'll put in here. So that's what's going on. I'll still be doing the videos on YouTube, writing my blogs and all of that. I'm just doing this one day at a time. So I hope this wasn't too confusing. All right. I love you. Bye.